Begin by clicking the Start button and select Control Panel. Select Network and Sharing Center. Then click Change Adapter Settings on the left side. Select the network port that your Ethernet cable is plugged into. This is a Siemens PG and there are 2 Ethernet ports on the back. The cable will be plugged into the one labeled Local Area Connection 2, so I'll select this port. Double-click to open the port's properties. Select the Internet Protocol. In this case, we'll be using Internet Protocol version 4 for TCP/IP. Click the Properties button. Set the IP address. We'll change this PG's address to be 192.168.111.99, which is unique on the network this PG will be used with. The default subnet mask is 255.255.255.0, which is a Class C network, and this is what we want. Click OK and close the local area connection dialog. The IP address is now set and we're ready to communicate with the PLC.